How to clear the history of run command on Windows 10. Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to show you how we can remove this history. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. So when you head over to Windows plus R and open up your run command, you should be finding this. So when you go ahead and drop it down, you can easily find your history, and even when you type in a later, it will recommend you some commands. So if you're trying to remove that, you may go ahead and follow up the steps in order to do so. So go to the search and type in registry editor, and then you can just go ahead and open it up. And then once you open up your registry editor, you should be finding this. So from here, what you can do is head over to HKey current user, drop it down. And from there, head over to software, drop it down. And from software, go over to Microsoft. You can just go ahead and look out for Microsoft and drop down Microsoft as well. Now from Microsoft, you may scroll a bit and you can look out until you reach over to the section of Windows, and you may just go ahead and drop it down again. And from Windows section, also look out to current version, and from current version as well, you need to go ahead and scroll down, drop this option down as well, and go ahead and look out for this option right here, which is Explorer, and you need to drop down Explorer as well. Now from Explorer also, you may scroll down again and look out for this Run MRU. This is the one we are looking for, and you can just go ahead and open it up. Now from here, all you gotta do is simply click on the history, go ahead and delete it like this, confirm that you want to delete, and once you go ahead and do that, it will delete it, and that's it. So that is it for now. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and then we will see you on the next video.